Today, we're unboxing this Shopee that we have. It's from my mother. I don't know why it's heavy. Okay. I cannot open it because we don't. What did I tell you? Now we're done opening.
The largest ketchup.
Okay.
Yay, bubble wrap.
Oh my!
With mayonnaise.
Nice! And
Mayonnaise.
mayonnaise!
With bubble wrap.
We're not including that. Okay, stop. Thank you, Shopee, for our order. Thank you.